Our micro DC we called the Summit, which incorporates a new type of energy-efficient air conditioning system. By harnessing natural cooling at the edge scenario, to achieve greater energy efficiency, contributing to the global goals of peak carbon emissions and carbon neutrality. Data centers are currently developing in a dumbbell shape. Means polarization. The construction of scaled hyper data centers is increasing, and on the other side, there are more and more micro data centers, which are more like 1 to 5 rack with 5 to 20 kilowatts in total. More and more devices are connected to the internet, which is IoT. More and more data requires faster responses, such as automatic driving, precise operation of robots, and automatic surgical platforms, etc. Long delays can lead to danger. In addition, some industries can use the edge to enable customers to get better service and experience, such as CDN business. Based on the security and confidentiality of some information, some customers prefer small private cloud businesses and also need to store data at the edge. The capacity of rack is getting higher and higher. From 2 kilowatts single rack to recently some cloud customers have a single rack power load of up to 20 kilowatts. This period just 2 decades. Another trend is integration and modularization, like MDC, rail bus, modular UPS. Customers always want to find a more complete and simple solution to improve lead time and product quality. Also, intelligence. The proportion of product intelligence is greatly increasing, with more function sensors used. More important, energy saving. Energy saving in data centers is a consistent topic. Reducing PUE has become an important indicator of data center construction, but everyone pays more attention to large or super large data centers. In fact, there are a large number of micro data centers that deserve more attention. Therefore, the market needs a micro data center solution that can meet high power, modular design, intelligence, and energy saving. This is a standard data center product structure, power system, cooling system, and monitoring system. We integrate these products into one or several rack systems. This is a micro DC. Summit Micro Data Center is designed as an all-in-one solution, integrating 5 major systems including power distribution, backup power, cooling, monitoring, and cabinets into a complete edge computing solution. The application scenarios are as follows. Enterprise need micro data centers running management software such as CRM, Away, PDM, etc. Smart factory need to make local control and management for some robots or smart devices. 5G serves as the network data node of the operator, and CDN serves as the content distribution node of the internet company, reducing delay time and better customer experience. Video monitoring requires storage and calculation of large video data. And bank branch or supermarket need to aggregate data and optimize operations. Edge and cloud are 2 relative concepts, and both have their own development space. This is a case study of an enterprise micro data center consisting of 3 units, with a total capacity of 20 kilowatts and a provision of 74 U of IT equipment space. Ample capacity has been reserved to accommodate future upgrades and updates of IT equipment. The previous data center environment was extremely harsh, making it impossible to upgrade and update equipment effectively. The cooling system comprised of 2 3P air conditioners proved inadequate, leading to frequent system failures during summer, disrupting normal company operations. After the upgrade, the comprehensive power usage effectiveness (PUE) has been reduced to 1.25 or below throughout the year. Additionally, the stability of the equipment has significantly improved, and it is expected to extend the lifespan of the IT equipment. Furthermore, the company's IT engineers have upgraded the existing company operations software, facilitating efficient enterprise management. At bottom, a 5U rack-mounted AC indoor unit with 6 kilowatts cooling capacity. 3 to 7U smaller than a typical 6 kilowatts rack AC. It can use natural cooling sources to improve energy saving. Accommodate rack UPS systems with capacities of 6 kVA, 10 kVA, and 20 kVA. Modular backup battery can be configured, with each module occupying 3 U of space. For a 6 kVA system with a 15-minute backup time, 2 sets of battery modules are required, taking up 6 U of space. Optional 1 U rack gas fire extinguishing on the top. Integrated PDU consists of 6K PDM function, which does not occupy any rack space. It also combines micro DCIM, saving 1-2 U of space. Therefore, with a fully equipped rack, there is 28 U of available white space for other components. The rack is fully enclosed, and the front door is made of organic glass for easy observation of the interior. An HMI touchscreen is integrated into the door, displaying the overall operation of the micro data center, and data can be uploaded as well. Schematic diagram of a 6K micro DC, and for the integrated PDU. Single-phase mains power connection with circuit breaker protection. The PDU has input and branch monitoring function. Power is divided into 3 circuits. One circuit supplies power to AC. Another circuit supplies power to the IT equipment. And the third circuit supplies power to other devices such as lighting and DCIM. The IT equipment and other devices are backed up by UPS power. In the event of a power shutdown, if the air conditioning unit loses power, the rack door will be opened automatically for natural heat dissipation. The Summit Micro DC is equipped with the Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving precision air conditioning system. It uses a 410A for cooling. After the refrigerant cools down, it enters the heat exchanger where it absorbs heat and transforms into a gas. It is then transported through the piping to the outdoor unit where it is cooled back into a liquid state, completing the removal of heat from the heat source. Once the refrigerant is vaporized, the rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning system determines its operating mode based on the ambient temperature. In lower ambient temperatures, it utilizes natural air cooling. In higher ambient temperatures, it employs a compressor to cool the vaporized refrigerant back into a liquid state, completing the cycle. Summit Micro DC system fully enclosed. The rack AC unit blows cold air into the cold aisle. Heat air then passes through the servers and becomes hot air before entering the heat exchanger. The heat exchanger utilizes the phase change of the refrigerant to transfer heat, converting it into gas and carrying it to the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit selects different operating modes based on the outdoor ambient temperature, allowing natural cooling sources to be integrated into the cycle, achieving energy efficiency. Outdoor ambient temperature less than 12 degrees Celsius, pure natural cooling mode. Outdoor ambient temperature greater than 30 degrees Celsius, compressor mode. 12 degrees Celsius less than or equal to outdoor ambient temperature less than or equal to 30 degrees Celsius, hybrid mode. The micromotion environment monitoring system mainly monitors the status of local power, environment, security, and assets of the infrastructure. It can also provide cloud services, allowing users to check the running status of the micro data center through an app, supporting SMS or phone call alerts, and offering cloud-based operation and maintenance services. Summit Micro Data Center offers a one-stop solution where all products are factory integrated. It provides transportation, installation, and commissioning services. Additionally, it offers on-site or cloud-based operation and maintenance (O&M) services. Remote or on-site training is also provided to ensure the operational safety of the micro data center for customers. Summit Micro Data Center has the following advantages. 1. Integration with natural cooling sources. In non-tropical regions, it achieves a comprehensive PUE, power usage effectiveness, of less than 1.25 by utilizing natural cooling sources effectively. 2. Excellent sealed design. The noise level is below 45 dB, allowing it to be placed next to workstations without causing significant disruptions. 3. Space-saving features. The energy-saving air conditioning system saves 5 U of white space, the power distribution system saves 3-5 U of space, and the micro-environmental monitoring system saves 1 to 2 U of space. In total, it provides a comprehensive space saving of 9 to 12 U. For intelligence systems, it is both local and cloud-based intelligence systems, ensuring reliable operation and supporting upgrades as needed. Here are some standard solutions. 1. Single rack 6K solution, equipped with one Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning unit with a cooling capacity of 6 kilowatts. The cabinet provides 22 to 28 U of white space. It can be customized according to requirements for backup battery runtime, optional rack-mounted gas fire suppression device, and optional cloud services. Single-phase power input. 2. Dual rack 6K solution, equipped with one Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning unit with a cooling capacity of 6 kilowatts in each cabinet. The two cabinets provide a total of 64 U of white space. It can be customized according to requirements for backup battery runtime, optional rack-mounted gas fire suppression device, and optional cloud services. Single-phase power input. 2. Rack 10K solution, equipped with two Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning units with a cooling capacity of 12 kilowatts. The two cabinets provide a total of 56 U of white space. The backup power runtime is set at 15 minutes. Backup battery runtime can be customized according to requirements, and optional rack-mounted gas fire suppression device and cloud services are available. 3-phase power input. 3. Rack 10K solution, equipped with two Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning units with a cooling capacity of 12 kilowatts in each cabinet. The three cabinets provide a total of 90 U of white space. The backup power runtime is set at 30 minutes. Backup battery runtime can also be customized according to requirements, and optional rack-mounted gas fire suppression device and cloud services are available. 3-phase power input. 3. Rack 20K solution, equipped with three Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning units with a cooling capacity of 18 kilowatts. The three cabinets provide a total of 66 U of white space. The backup power runtime is set at 20 minutes. Backup battery runtime can be customized according to requirements, and optional rack-mounted gas fire suppression device and cloud services are available. 3-phase power input. 5. Rack 20K solution, equipped with three Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning units with a cooling capacity of 18 kilowatts in each cabinet. The five cabinets provide a total of 116 U of white space. The backup power runtime is set at 40 minutes. Backup battery runtime can also be customized according to requirements, and optional rack-mounted gas fire suppression device and cloud services are available. 3-phase power input. This page contains meteorological data for the Tianjin region in China, which falls under the subarctic climate zone. Based on its climatic characteristics, we can estimate the annual operational time of the Summit Pro rack-mounted energy-saving air conditioning in the three modes. In the pure nature cooling mode, we can observe that it runs for over 3,900 hours, which is equivalent to 162 days, without the need to activate the compressor. On the other hand, the full compressor mode operates for just over 1,800 hours, approximately 76 days. In tropical regions like Singapore, where the average temperature ranges from 23 to 31 degrees Celsius throughout the year, the system would mostly operate in full compressor mode. However, with good sealing and duct design, it is still possible to effectively reduce energy consumption. In the Tianjin region of China, based on the mentioned temperatures, for a business customer with an 18 kilowatts load, the average annual PUE can reach 1.19. This represents a reduction in energy consumption by 30% to 50% compared to typical micro data centers. As mentioned above, there is no particularly effective energy-saving solution in tropical regions. Therefore, we are currently developing our next-generation, fully immersed liquid-cooled micro data center. With a single cabinet, it can achieve a capacity of 30 kilowatts and a PUE of less than 1.1. This solution can be used even in tropical or desert areas while achieving energy-saving goals. Compared to traditional micro data centers, the immersion liquid cooling design is easier to deploy and install. It has no impact on the environment, no special requirements, and no noise. Furthermore, it significantly reduces electrical energy loss by over 80% compared to traditional edge computing. It also entails lower maintenance costs. The world's first universal standalone packaged phase-change immersion liquid-cooled server. It is designed for 2 to 3 kilowatts power range, available in 1U and 2U sizes, and operates without fans. With its phase-change immersion cooling technology, it offers easier deployment and replacement, extending the lifespan of IT equipment by 50% and reducing system failures by over 60%. Thank you for watching.